Hey everybody, it's Haley. Today we are making some super yummy and easy red velvet bars. So if you love red velvet cake or red velvet cookies, you will love these. Plus they're gonna be super duper easy. And these would be a great Valentine's dessert. I'm even gonna cut them into little hearts. They're gonna be super cute. Let's get started. And my camera turned off, but this is 1 1/4 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, all whisked together. Then you need 3/4 cup of salted butter melted and 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar, and just whisk that all together till it's well combined. 1 teaspoon of distilled white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and some red food coloring. You need more or less depending on if you're using gel or liquid. I'm doing about a teaspoon of gel. And just whisk that all together. Also add in 2 eggs and whisk that in. Then I'm going to sift in my dry ingredients. You don't have to sift them, but I'm going to just because I don't want any clumps. Then you can fold the dry ingredients in with your spatula until it's all mixed together. Add 1 cup of white chocolate chips and fold those in. Then you're going to pour that into an 8x8 baking pan that's lined with parchment paper and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake these for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick stuck in the middle comes out clean or with moist crumbs. I'm going to bake mine for a few minutes less because I'm doing convection. Then I'm cutting my brownies into 9 squares and I'm going to cut hearts out of the squares. I wanted to do this because then I would have the heart-shaped brownies and my scraps would also have heart shapes in them. And ta-da! The red velvet brownies are done. Oh my gosh, these are the cutest little Valentine's dessert ever. Oh, don't fall off the plate. I'm so excited. And look how thick and fudgy. Definitely tastes like red velvet. Just a little chocolatey like brownie, and these are just way too cute. And if they were warm, even better, but they're still so good. Oh no, I have a broken heart now. Just kidding. This heart is for you. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm gonna post more Valentine's desserts. And also comment below what you want to see me make next. Thank you so much for baking with me today. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!